Want to use Claude AI for writing, coding, research, brainstorming, and everyday tasks? Claude AI is a powerful AI assistant that can help you generate ideas, answer questions, analyze documents, write content, and much more. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the Claude AI website or desktop app and sign in to your account. If you're new to Claude, create an account before continuing. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main chat interface. Next, click New Chat to begin a conversation. Type your question, request, or prompt into the message box. The more specific your prompt is, the better Claude's response is likely to be. If your task involves documents, images, or other supported files, upload them directly into the conversation. Claude can analyze the content and answer questions based on what you provide. This can save a lot of time when working with large documents. Read Claude's response carefully, then ask follow-up questions or request revisions if you'd like a different format, more detail, or a shorter explanation. Take a moment to continue the conversation until you get the result you're looking for. You can revisit previous chats from the sidebar, rename conversations, or start a new chat whenever you switch to a different topic. Keeping your chats organized makes it easier to find important information later. Experiment with different prompts for writing, coding, summarizing, brainstorming, translation, research, and many other tasks to get the most from Claude AI. So you've successfully learned how to use Claude AI, and that's how to use Claude AI. Whether you're creating content, solving problems, analyzing documents, or learning something new, Claude can help you work more efficiently. The more clearly you describe what you need, the better your results will usually be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.